Hello kids, welcome to Animals Made Easy. Today we are learning about carnivore animals. Carnivores are animals that eat meat. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we start, remember, smart kids like first and subscribe next. So if you are a smart learner, please like this video and subscribe to Animals Made Easy. This is a lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Lions eat meat. They are strong hunters. This is a tiger. Tigers have black stripes. They are very powerful. Tigers eat meat. This is a wolf. Wolves live in groups called packs. They hunt together. Wolves are carnivores. This is a crocodile. Crocodile live near rivers and lakes. They have sharp teeth. They eat fish and meat. This is an eagle. Eagles can fly very high. They have sharp claws. They eat small animals. This is a shark. Sharks live in the ocean. They are strong swimmers. Sharks eat meat. Today we learned about lion, tiger, wolf, crocodile, eagle, shark. These are carnivore animals. You are a smart learner. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hi friends! Please subscribe to our channel. It's free and fun!